I would like, because of his presence here, I want to recognize the Chief of Defense Intelligence to just step forward, take a bow, and go back to his seat before we move into closed session. Major General. Thank you. Well, I don't need to say more, but when I greeted him, I said, "Great Malabite." Then he answered, "Action." So he believes in action. He doesn't believe in talking. So thank you for joining us in this session. Senate Leader.
Nigerianpolitics Academy Kaduna as a member of the Kaduna junior and senior courses in Nigeria. Furthermore, he attended the senior executive course in national and international security program and the Harvard Kennedy School of Executive Education in the United States of America, as well as the International Intelligence Director's course in Quicksand, United Kingdom. His qualifications include a bachelor's honors in history and a master's of art strategic studies. He is an international counterterrorism fellow of the States, amongst which are the Deputy Chief Operations Officer of the United Nations Mission in Nigeria, Deputy Chief of General, and to continue.